Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SENS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the green line here is coming from, and that's also where the first update comes about. And that update is based on the foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's exactly what played out here today. So for those of you that did watch the video from Wednesday, talked about $1.25 as support, but as the price gapped down below it, at that point, you would expect it to act as resistance. And like I said, that is exactly what happened. You can see right there, didn't quite hit it, but then right there, a direct bounce off that level. So I'm not saying that the price can never get back up above $1.25. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price, is now struggling to get back above that area. Now, looking forward here, a little interesting pattern here is taking shape. The first part of the pattern is this lower part right there, and then you have this upper part right there. And this is what I would call a falling wedge pattern. And it sounds counterproductive or counterintuitive, but a falling wedge pattern is actually a bullish pattern. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because a bullish pattern forms does not mean that for sure the price is going to, go in the upwards direction. However, in this scenario, while it's not a guarantee of anything, would it be shocking to see the price try to make some sort of, push back to the upside? No, that would not be shocking at all. So if it does try to make the push to the upside, the first key level of resistance is going to be, the upper part of the pattern itself, which again is that line right there. Hard to assign a numerical value to it because that line is, changing as time goes by. But right now, give or take, that, key level of resistance is going to be right around the $1.15 and $1.17 mark going into Friday. And then, of course, if the price can get the breakout to the upside, the next key overall level, as we've already talked about, right there at $1.25. As far as supports are concerned, pretty straightforward. It's all about the lower portion of this trend line right here, which right now is valued right around $1.08, $1.09. So if the price just gets crushed down through that area, well, then at that point, this bullish pattern has been violated. But as of right now, the pattern is still in play. So we'll see if this is some sort of leading indicator for at least some sort of attempted bounce to come or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.